So one of the frequently asked questions from the videos I recently uploaded regarding the Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship is what is the sending partner? So in this video, I'm going to break down who is the sending partner and their role in this scholarship process. Now, this is not a Q&A video, but if you may be having any burning questions about the program, my dear friend from the Budapest Corvinus University has organized an online information session about the Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship this coming Sunday, 30th of November from 8 p.m. East African time. So this session will be held on Microsoft Teams, but I'll also be streaming it live here for you guys. So if you have any questions, you could put it down on the comment section and the panel will be able to answer them. So if you might miss this meeting, it will also be pre-recorded and you can also find it on my channel. So let's get started. So the sending partner in a nutshell is like an organization or an agency in your home country which is used to nominate the specific number of students who should be awarded for this scholarship. So a lot of students apply for Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship in all the eligible countries, and so the role of the sending partners is selecting the specific number from the whole bunch of students who have applied for the scholarship. So for example, in my country, 800 students had applied for the Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship in my year, and only 200 slots had been awarded by the Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship to be awarded to the students. So that's where the sending partner comes in, taking the 200 out of the 800 students who had applied. So they do this in an easy process. What they do, they ask for interviews, or they call you for an interview if you had applied, and they ask you to present all the documents that you used to apply for this scholarship in the Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship website. So after they do the interviews, they will then select the eligible candidates from however they saw you during the interview. So during the interview, they want to see your motivation, they want to see your documents, if you're eligible, if your academic background is fits you to come here and study here in Hungary. So they see your motivation, if you'd like, if you'd go back to your country to help them after the scholarship or your study period here in Hungary is over, and check if you are eligible and really eligible to get this scholarship. So after that, they will nominate those eligible students, and then they will forward the application to the Tempus Public Foundation back here so that they will continue the selection process. So that's the hardest actually part. Crossing the sending partner is the hardest part on this scholarship. So after you pass the interview, then the rest of the interviews will be only the school interviews, the entrance exams, the oral interviews to check on your language proficiency and such. So that's the basic role of sending partner, just selecting those students who are eligible for this scholarship through the ways of interviews. Also these interviews can be physical in your country. This also depends on each country, or might be online through these online platforms like Skype, Zoom, or Google Meet, or even Microsoft Teams. So also, these sending partners might be different organizations. In my country, it was the Ministry of Education, and you might find even in some of the countries like non-governmental organizations which have been selected by the Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship to award this, to do this nomination process. So that's the basic role of the sending partner, just undertaking the nomination process to select the eligible amount of students from all the applicants of this scholarship. So I wish you all the best. If you when you're going to the sending partner, it is not that hard. You just need enough motivation and the original documents and the copies that they need. Carry everything that they want. Also, some sending partners require you to have some additional documents like the standard form which you write the motivation also there, and yeah, such and such. Now, to check who is the sending partner in your country is very easy. If you don't know from any other sources, you can go to the Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship website, and under the sending partners, you will find all the sending partners from all the eligible countries, and from there you can get their contacts and I guess the location, their email addresses, or even the phone numbers. And from there now you can start finding out where to submit your documents for the interviews, and then they will conduct the interviews and that's all the nomination process. This will happen after the deadline of the application online. Also, one tip to maximize your chances of passing the nomination process is please check the required course requirements by the sending partners. So some sending partners from the countries choose the students who have chosen the courses that resonate with their home countries, state of of the economy. So for example, if your country is an agricultural country, then agricultural sciences will be preferred or will be prioritized than maybe social sciences. So please check this. Some of the sending partners have their specific course requirements to select the students. So that's how you can find out who is the sending partner in your country. So I hope this video was a bit helpful. So if it was, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. This might be one of my last videos that I'm doing regarding the Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship, and now I might start doing videos about basic life here in Hungary. And if you'd like to follow along, please also subscribe. And see you on Sunday in that meeting. If you have any questions. If you miss it, don't worry. The meeting will be pre-recorded. You can always find it just here on my YouTube channel at the live section. So I hope all these videos that I have made have helped you. Also, I have a whole Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship playlist that you can go and watch afterwards to get more information. So thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.